Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a helpful tip on how to turn off likes and comments on your Facebook profile picture. If you don't want people to comment or like your profile picture, then you want to open the Facebook mobile application on your iPhone or Android device and then go over to your Facebook profile page. I'm going to do that by simply tapping on my profile picture right here, and that's going to get me to the profile page. After this step, it's time to turn off the likes and the comments on your profile picture. All you have to do is to click on the profile picture. The next thing is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of our screen, and that will open a bunch of settings. Tap on the Edit Privacy option, and that will open another page where we can control who can see our profile picture on Facebook. And this is the way that we can turn off the likes and comments. And let's set this to only me, and this way, no one will be able to see our profile picture anymore, and they won't be able to like or comment on the photo. This is the only way that you can turn off the comments and likes. So just set the privacy settings to only me, and that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope this tip helps you out and that you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.